Crash course on Mexican festivals. An exploration of Mexico's vibrant and colorful festivals, such as Dia de los Muertos and Carnaval. Introduction. Mexico is a land of vibrant culture and rich traditions, and one of the best ways to experience its lively spirit is through its festivals. Mexican festivals are a kaleidoscope of colors, music, dance, and religious rituals that celebrate the country's diverse heritage. From the famous Day of the Dead to the energetic Carnaval, these festivals offer a unique glimpse into Mexico's vibrant traditions and customs. In this crash course, we will explore some of the most popular Mexican festivals, their origins, and the cultural significance they hold. Storytelling and excitement. Imagine the streets adorned with vibrant papel picado banners, the air filled with the sound of mariachi music, and the scent of delicious traditional foods wafting through the air. Mexican festivals are a feast for the senses, captivating locals and visitors alike with their lively energy and captivating traditions. Let me share with you a few fascinating stories and examples to excite your imagination. Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. Dia de los Muertos is one of Mexico's most iconic festivals, celebrated on November 1st and 2nd. It is a time to honor and remember loved ones who have passed away. Families create elaborate altars called ofrendas, adorned with marigolds, photographs, and the favorite foods and drinks of the departed. The streets come alive with vibrant processions, music, and dancing, as people gather to pay tribute to their ancestors. It is believed that during this time, the souls of the departed return to be with their families, creating a unique and beautiful connection between the living and the dead. Carnaval. Carnaval is a festive celebration held in the days leading up to Lent. It is a time of indulgence and revelry, with vibrant parades, extravagant costumes, and lively music filling the streets. Each region of Mexico puts its own unique spin on Carnaval, creating a spectacular display of color and creativity. The city of Veracruz is famous for its lively Carnaval, featuring traditional dances like the Danza de los Voladores, Dance of the Flyers, and elaborate floats. It is a time when people come together to let loose, dance, and celebrate life. Guelaguetza. Originating from the state of Oaxaca, the Guelaguetza is a festival that celebrates the cultural diversity of Mexico's indigenous communities. It takes place in July and showcases traditional dances, music, and artisanal crafts. The festival's name, Guelaguetza, means offering or gift in the Zapotec language. Communities from different regions come together to share their traditions and heritage, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors and sounds. It is a celebration of unity, mutual respect, and the preservation of indigenous culture. Now, let's delve into the top 12 Mexican festivals and explore their unique features. 1. Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. A time to honor and celebrate deceased loved ones with colorful altars and joyful gatherings. 2. Carnaval. A lively and extravagant festival filled with parades, costumes, and music. 3. Guelaguetza. A celebration of indigenous culture and traditions, showcasing traditional dances and crafts. 4. Semana Santa, Holy Week, a week-long observance leading up to Easter, with religious processions and reenactments. 5. La Feria de San Marcos, a month-long fair in Aguascalientes featuring rodeos, music concerts, and cultural events. 6. Independence Day. Celebrations held on September 16 to commemorate Mexico's independence from Spanish rule. 7. Las Posadas. A series of processions and reenactments symbolizing Mary and Joseph's search for a place to stay in Bethlehem. 8. La Noche de los Rabanos, Night of the Radishes, a unique festival in Oaxaca where intricate sculptures are carved out of radishes. 9. La Callejoneada. Traditional street processions with live music and performers, often associated with weddings or special events. 10. El Dia de la Candelaria, Candlemas. A celebration that combines Catholic and indigenous traditions, honoring the presentation of Jesus at the temple. 11. El Dia de la Virgen de Guadalupe, Day of the Virgin of Guadalupe. A religious festival honoring the patron saint of Mexico, accompanied by processions and pilgrimages. 12. La Feria Nacional de la Plata, National Silver Fair. A fair dedicated to showcasing Mexico's rich silver mining heritage, with exhibitions, cultural events, and artisanal crafts. These festivals encompass a wide range of cultural, religious, and historical elements. They reflect the diversity and vitality of Mexican traditions, inviting people from all over the world to participate and witness the richness of the country's cultural tapestry. In summary, Mexican festivals are an integral part of the country's identity, showcasing its deep-rooted traditions, history, and cultural heritage. From the colorful and heartfelt celebrations of Dia de los Muertos to the energetic and vibrant atmosphere of Carnaval, each festival offers a unique experience that immerses participants in the beauty and joy of Mexican culture. Poem. In Mexico's land of vibrant hues, festivals bloom, each with its own muse. Dia de los Muertos, a dance with the past, where love and memories forever last. Carnaval's extravaganza, a colorful spree. Masks and costumes set the spirit free. Guelaguetza, unity in diverse embrace. Traditions shared, a cultural embrace. Semana Santa, solemn steps in grace. Reenacting a story, finding faith's embrace. San Marcos Fair, a month of delight. Rodeos and music, an enchanting sight. Independence Day, patriots unite. Shouts of Viva Mexico fill the night. Posadas bring warmth, a journey to share. Seeking shelter, love, and care. Radishes carved with skilled hands. Night of the radishes, where art expands. Callejoneada, lively streets come alive. Music and revelry, spirits revive. Candlemas and Guadalupe's blessed day. In reverence and faith, we humbly pray. National Silver Fair, shining heritage displayed. Craftsmanship and beauty, skill portrayed. Mexican festivals, a vibrant display. A tapestry of traditions, colorful and gay. In dance and song, we come together to celebrate our culture, now and forever. Song. Verse 1. In Mexico's embrace, where festivals thrive. Colors and music, they make us come alive. Dia de los Muertos, a love that never ends. Honoring our ancestors, as their spirit transcends. Chorus. Carnaval, Carnaval, let's dance in the street. Masks and feathers, a rhythm we can't beat. Guelaguetza, unity in diversity. Celebrating our heritage with love and unity. Verse 2. Semana Santa, a solemn path we tread. Walking in faith, our hearts no longer dread. San Marcos Fair, a month of joy and cheer. Rodeos and festivities, the atmosphere is clear. Chorus. Carnaval, Carnaval, let's dance in the street. Masks and feathers, a rhythm we can't beat. Guelaguetza, unity in diversity. Celebrating our heritage with love and unity. Bridge. Posadas bring warmth, as we walk the way. Mary and Joseph, seeking shelter day by day. Night of the radishes, a sight to behold. Carved with love, stories they unfold. Chorus. Carnaval, Carnaval, let's dance in the street. Masks and feathers, a rhythm we can't beat. Guelaguetza, unity in diversity. Celebrating our heritage with love and unity. Outro. Mexican festivals, a tapestry so grand. A celebration of our culture, across the land. With joy in our hearts, we come together to cherish our traditions, now and forever. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Mexico has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Mexico, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. AnHub Metaverse Team.